What's up guys, welcome to our channel, Slow Your Roll. We're doing a series called Cooking Around the Planet, and the most popular video of that series is from Trinidad and Tobago cooking chicken Pelau. It was our most popular video, most controversial video, by far our favorite meal we've cooked around the planet so far. We got, I think, 300 comments, so many tips, tricks, job well dones for us trying it our first time, and everybody saying we did an okay job. I guess this meal is very controversial in Trinidad. Some people like it wet, some people like it dry, some people like it with certain ingredients, and we took all those comments and comprised them into one, and we're gonna try to master chicken Pelau for you this evening. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Steel drums are playing. We are in the islands of Trinidad and Tobago, and we got, well, we're really in New Smyrna Beach, but all right, so let's go over the ingredients we have for this chicken Pelau. Some additions, some things that we didn't have last time. We were using a lot of substitutes last time. We were able to find the real deal ingredients for the most part. So we have parboiled rice, we got onions, we got green onions, we got green seasoning, which we actually found last time on Amazon. This stuff is amazing. We have garlic, we have a really hot red pepper, celery, brown sugar, coconut milk, diluted. A lot of people said in the comments we didn't need to use the straight coconut milk, so we're going that route. The star of the show, I should say, pigeon peas. Our local grocery store up the street happens to have these. Didn't know that last time. And people were absolutely, I wouldn't say mad, but were like, you have to have pigeon peas in this recipe. And we couldn't agree more. Also, we have our boneless chicken breast marinating in a little bit of green seasoning, a little bit of onion, and another tip I found was a little bit of ketchup. Without further ado, let's get to going. Let's get to cooking, let's get to mowing. Half a cup of brown sugar. We are gonna get to browning this. We're gonna caramelize this down, and we'll be right back. All right, we're gonna add the chicken. We're gonna cook that around for about 5-10 minutes. That green seasoning is insane smell, so good. Smell that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Quick question for the audience. In Trinidad and Tobago, do you guys have green seasoning in the fridge at all times? I'm guessing yes, and if you do you make it yourself? And if so, please tell me how, because that stuff's amazing. Every single ingredient in here is phenomenal. I mean, it's got papaya in it. That's crazy, and it smells so good, so much flavor and spice. All right, we've been kind of tossing this around for about 5 minutes. Look at this. My God. There's still some nice juice at the bottom, which I was seeing as a good thing. Everything's just looking amazing. So now it's time to add some of our vegetables. Got our green seasoning. Should be 6 tablespoons. We're running a bit low, so we're gonna go probably about 4. We're just gonna dump the rest of it in there. Then we're gonna go garlic. A couple cloves minced garlic. Gonna go your hot pepper of your choice. I cut this thing open at home and didn't know how hot it was to put it on the tongue. About lit me up. Careful out there. Scallions, and only do half right now. Half our onion. It just started smelling even better in here. I don't know. Earlier, some thyme. If you can find some fresh leaves, that's the best, but if you don't, this will work. And put quite a bit of thyme in there. I'd say about 2 tablespoons. Really give it some time.
Sounds like a ticking clock.
It does. Bam. And we mix, we merge. All right, next step, we're gonna put a lid on this and let it cook for about 10 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh, mama. The smell is unreal. Stir it around a little bit. Whoa, look at this juice. I was watching Cooking with Ria's YouTube channel on chicken Pelau. She says this juice is very important. It looks like we got some. So, let's get back into it. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is add our parboiled rice. Some of this seasoning, kind of try to do like a little marinade, I guess. With our pigeon peas. And with our onions, some celery, carrots I forgot to mention earlier, our green onions. Mix that all up, merge all that. Woo, doggy. Salt, cracked pepper. Stir it up again. Alright, now we have coconut milk. This is 1 can of coconut milk and 1 can of water. Pour that on. I guess we do it until it covers it. I have to go with another can. Oh, maybe not. Look at that. Might be perfect. Sweet. Mix that in. Set this at a low to medium heat. Put a lid on it. About 20-30 minutes. And we'll be right back to give it a taste. So, one thing that makes Trinidad and Tobago so great is the music. The steel pan, as you can hear all throughout this video, is playing. It's some of the best music, gets you right in the vibe, especially if you're about to just mow down some chicken Pelau. You need some steel pan in the background. And I was just thinking, a friend of ours in town named Steel Pan Man, Evan, plays the steel pans for a living. He plays like 7 nights a week, every different restaurant and bar around town. Everyone knows him. If you're gonna listen to some steel pan, you go see yourself some Steel Pan Man in New Smyrna Beach. And he actually just came out with a new album on all platforms, Spotify, YouTube Music, iTunes, the whole deal. It's called Steel Pandemic, and it's actually recorded on electronic synthesized steel pan. I didn't even know they had that. It just blew my mind, this album. It's such a cool listen, it's funky, so if you get a chance, check it out. I'll put all his information in the description below. And I did a little more digging. I saw, where in the world do you get an electronic steel pan? And sure enough, the one he's using is from a guy named Salmon Cupid. I bet you guys know exactly who he is if you're from Trinidad and Tobago. He invented the electronic steel pan. I mean, the stars are aligning in this video, folks. We got chicken Pelau. A friend of ours has got a steel pan album. The electronic steel pan he used is from a guy from Trinidad and Tobago. And Jess and I are moving to Trinidad and Tobago if you guys would have us. It looks and sounds like one of the coolest, welcoming, most beautiful places on earth. And I think it has the best food on earth, in my opinion. All right, let's check it out. Whoa, that's a lot of Pelau. We're gonna be eating Pelau for a couple weeks. Wouldn't have it any other way. Let's see the consistency here. I would probably, off the rip, consider that probably a dry Pelau. What do you guys think? But man, I smell the coconut. Oh man, moment of truth. Did the adjustments affect the outcome? All right, while I let this cool off, I'm gonna talk a little bit. A couple changes we made. We used coconut milk and diluted it with water, a little half and half. Also, we have pigeon peas this time. We used ketchup in the process of marinating the chicken. If I'm missing anything else, I'm sure you see in the video. Thank you for all the tips and tricks to make this Pelau go to the next level. Let's dig in. Pigeon peas, carrot, Phenomenal. Wow, it's got good spice, not too much. Coconut flavor. Like I said earlier, I guess this would be probably considered dry Pelau. Probably could use more coconut milk. Who knows, but still phenomenal. One of my favorite meals. I love the pigeon peas.
That's delicious.
So good.
Phenomenal. Very good.
So, can't wait to have 4 bowls. Let us know how we did. And also, let us know if there's anything else you can think of from Trinidad and Tobago that we should cook, or anywhere else around the world. We'd love to give it a try. Cheers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Cooking Around the Planet.